So guys, in this video I'll show you how to install the JTAppleCalendar library using Cocoapods. So the first thing we need is a new project. We'll create a single view application. Then we'll save it as Hello Calendar. You can save this on the desktop. Be mindful of the area you're saving that file to. We'll need it later on. So I'll go ahead and create that project. And now the project is created. So now we go ahead and we close that project, and we are going to head over to the terminal. So please make sure that your terminal is at the location of the project. I believe I'm already there in calendars. Let me just get into the Hello Calendar folder. Open that folder structure to show you what it looks like. There we see our project. Now we're ready to install Cocoapods. We do this by typing in the pod init command. I already have Cocoapods installed on my system. If you do not, you need to install it first, then type this command. We can see that a pod file was created by that command. Let's have a look. Now inside of that pod file would be where you would put your Cocoapods. In this case, the Cocopod you're trying to install is the JTAppleCalendar pod. For this demonstration, I will use the beta version of JTAppleCalendar. It's version 7.0. It's not out yet, but within a couple weeks it should be released. If you were using a official release, you would just put pod JTAppleCalendar. I'll have all of these instructions in the description of this project. But for now, we'll just use the beta version 7.0. We're going to save that, and we're going to close the file. And now we type the command pod install. I know that you might still see version 6.1.5 listed there, but I haven't updated it yet, but this is the beta version. Now, let's go back to the folder to see what it looks like. Cocoapods have now created a workspace project, which we will now use from now on. And here we can see the project with our pods. Now, since this is the beta version and there are still a little issues I need to work around, I need to build it against version 10.0, else you will see some build errors. Okay, this will not be so in the release version. So that's all there is to it. To use it, you just go to your view controller and you input the JTAppleCalendar library, and happy coding. So now that your library is installed, you can go ahead and check out the other video which shows you how to build a calendar from scratch. If you like the project, don't forget to leave a star rating on GitHub. All of the information is in the description of this video. Have a good one, guys.